Looking for the best portable spin dryers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 portable spin dryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. The laundry alternative, Nina Soft Spin Dryer. Pros: the ability to dry a pair of jeans in minutes is one feature we love. High marks for design and function. Works great anywhere from NYC apartments to RVs. 12 pounds load capacity. Cons: draining water isn't difficult, but buying an extra piece may help. Bottom line: quick to dry and easy to transport. Immediately adaptable to life in most environments. At number 2. Della Compact Top-Load Washer with Spin Dryer. Pros: this dual-function unit allows you to wash and spin dry clothes at the same time. It is extremely compact, weighing only 7.7 pounds when empty, making it easily portable. It features a dryer lid to keep your clothes from getting out of balance while spinning. Cons: the drain pump is not very powerful, so it can sometimes be difficult to get the water out of the unit. Bottom line: an affordable top-load compact washer with a spin dryer, making it an ideal solution for places where you do not have much room. At number 1. Panda Stainless Steel Spin Dryer. Pros: reviews rave of the thorough drying capability that can remove deposits from clothing. Whisks away water that you may not expect from a spin dryer. Mobile and easy to carry. Cons: does not work well with extremely damp clothing. Bottom line: sleek design and no sink necessary. Fits attractively into your life and budget. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.